Hi everyone, my name is Raja Jamwal and here's another demo of ProMind. All the programs and the courses that you're looking at, they are dynamically generated based on the requirements of the learner and they evolve based on the learner's profile. In this video, I will demo one small feature of ProMind where you can have interactive tutors. This course is designed primarily for children, for teaching them discrete mathematics with the theory and Python code involved, and including games, 2D, 3D games. For the purpose of the demo, I will run one quick interactivity. Let's see how it works.
Welcome. Here's the key rule for Dijkstra's algorithm. At every step, finalize the unvisited node with the smallest tentative distance, then relax its outgoing edges. Right now, only A has a distance which is 0, and every other node is infinity. Which node should be finalized first?
I think the answer should be A in this case.
Great job! A was the right first pick with distance 0. Now A's neighbors B and C have tentative distances of 4 and 2. Which unvisited node currently has the smallest tentative distance?
Let's go with 2 and see what it does.
Great pick. C with distance 2 is correct. Notice that B dropped to 3 because going through C was cheaper than the direct edge from A. Now, among the remaining unvisited nodes, which has the smallest tentative distance?
Let me take a wrong answer here. Instead of going to the B, let me try D. Let's see.
You picked D with distance 10, but look at B, which shows only 3. Which unvisited node has the smallest tentative distance?
Let's do B instead of...
Great pick. B with distance 3 is correct, and notice it got that distance through C, not the direct edge from A. Now look at the remaining unvisited nodes and their current distances. Which one has the smallest number?
It will be the node D.
I see you already picked D earlier in your finalized list, but let's double check. Right now, D shows distance 10, and E shows 12. F shows 16. So D at 10 does have the smallest tentative distance among unvisited nodes. I see your picks so far are A, C, D, B, E. The issue is that D was finalized before B, but at that point, B had a tentative distance of 3 and D had 10. The rule requires picking the smallest tentative distance first. Could you try restarting and making sure to finalize B before D? B at 3 should always come before D at 10. Great work. All 5 picks so far are perfectly valid. There's just one node left, F, with a tentative distance of 13. Go ahead and finalize it to complete the algorithm. Perfect, you completed Dijkstra's algorithm. Every node was finalized in the correct order. Can you restate why the algorithm always picks the smallest total tentative distance rather than just the cheapest individual edge?
Can you walk me through the explanation for the answer?
Great question. The key insight is that Dijkstra's algorithm picks the node with the smallest total tentative distance, not the one with the cheapest single edge. A cheap edge doesn't guarantee a short path. For example, the edge A to B has weight 4, but the 2-hop path A to C to B has total cost 2 plus 1 equals 3, which is cheaper. By always expanding the node with the smallest total cost so far, we guarantee that when we finalize a node, we've truly found its shortest path.
Alright, so that was a demo regarding the ProMind's tutor capabilities. We have multiple other interactivities involved, which are all dynamically generated. These includes the AR experiences, VR experiences, 2D, 3D games, the traditional MCQs, multiple choice questions, and also conversational style, all built on top of a platform which records and builds the learning profile of the learner. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.